Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto on Trust Wallet app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Trust Wallet app, and now once you open it, and yeah, make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Trust Wallet apps on in the screen, where you can see there is a buy option at the middle of this dashboard, which is just at the right side of this receive option. So let's tap on that buy, and now you can see there is a tons of cryptos over here. So let me choose any of them. So let me choose BTC for now to show you a demo. And now you can see there is a $150 by default, and you can also see pay with Apple Pay. So if you want to change your payment method, then just tap on that pay with Apple Pay and just tap on Apple Pay. And you can see there is a three options. First one is Apple Pay, another one is credit card, and last one is bank transfer. So you can choose any of them. So let me keep this credit card for now. Let's get back, and once you're done, then just tap on the buy with Apple Pay. And yeah, you need to verify yourself and complete few more formalities, and once you verify yourself, then yeah, you will be able to buy cryptos on Trust Wallet app successfully. So basically this is how you can buy crypto on Trust Wallet app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.